Let's solve our first equation. You've got fractions. Denominators are x and 2x. What's going to be the LCD? LCD will be 2x. You're going to multiply every term on both sides by 2x. On the left-hand side, the x's cancel and you're left with an 8 equal 5 over 2x times 2x. That's 5 over 2x times a 2x. You can think of that as being over 1. Those cancel. You're just left with a 5. And then 3 times 2x is 6x. Now do the addition property by subtracting 5 from both sides. And that leaves you 3 equals 6x. And now use the multiplication property by multiplying both sides by 1/6, which is the same thing as dividing by 6. And 3 over 6 is 1/2. 1/2 equals x. Now, in the second problem, you've got all these grouping symbols. I'm going to mark those off. And then mark them off. All right, so they're embedded here and here. Bring down the 25. So that's 25 minus bracket. Bring down the 2 plus 5y. Now let's distribute this negative 3. Negative 3 times y is negative 3y. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Close your bracket. Repeat the same process on the right. It's negative 6y plus 15. And then bring down the minus 5 and that bracket. Now there is a positive 1 in between the bracket and the parenthesis. And multiplying by positive 1 does not change the signs of anything. Minus 3y plus 3. Bring that down. Now, you could go ahead and multiply 3 by negative 1, but I like to combine inside first. Combine your like terms. That's 2y minus 4 equals, and bring all this down. You can't add and subtract because you've still got multiplication here, right here. And multiplication has a higher hierarchy than addition and subtraction. Now you can, what I'm doing is combining like terms inside. That's negative 2y plus 2. Okay, that looks better. Distribute the negative 1 on the left. That's 25 minus 2y plus 4 equals negative 6y plus 15. You cannot subtract 5 from 15 because you still have multiplication. Now distribute the negative 5, and that's going to be plus 10y minus 10. Combine like terms on both sides, and that's negative 2y plus 29 equals 4y, combine your y's, plus 5. And now let's add 2y to both sides, and that's 29 equal 6y plus 5. And now let's subtract 5, and that's 24 equals 6y. Divide by 6, and we got 4 equals y. We got 4 again.